On my Dozro YouTube channel, I've made a tutorial video on this door lock in English as I understand the language. From this primary video, I've created multiple versions in various international languages. For clarity purpose of this tutorial, we will refer to the original English video as the primary video and the translated versions as foreign language videos. Today, I'll provide a professional, step-by-step guide on how to create multiple copies of your primary video in languages you may not be familiar with, for reaching a global audience. I've prepared a text script for the primary video in MS Word. First, I'll copy this text and head over to Google Translate to translate it into the foreign language for which I'm creating a video. For this instance, I will translate the text into Danish, a language that I don't understand. As we proceed, I'll share a valuable tip on how to quickly create descriptions, chapters, and SEO tags for your video in other languages. Before we dive into the translation, let's discuss how to prepare your primary video using a video editing software. It doesn't matter which editing software you're using, the basic features are quite similar across platforms. In my video editor's timeline, I've organized my primary video into smaller clips, focusing on key learning steps since it's a tutorial. The upper tracks feature supporting elements like text and images. Below each video section you'll find corresponding audio clips, but you might notice that I've left some blank space at the end of each audio clip. This is crucial because the duration of voiceovers in different languages can vary. For example, when I translate this same sentence into various languages, you'll notice that the audio length duration is different for each language. At the top, you'll find Norwegian with Russian in the middle track and Arabic at the bottom. The advantage of maintaining this space is that if you wish to produce copies of each video in various languages, you won't have to modify the length of the video clips for each version, ultimately saving you time. However, be cautious not to leave too much silence as it could bore your viewers. In the same way, you may have observed that I've included a line break between each section of text. Each text segment aligns perfectly with its corresponding video section in the video editor. The translated text in the foreign language also maintains the same spacing between sections. This text spacing is beneficial because, since I don't understand the foreign language, it allows me to confirm that the audio clips generated from each text accurately correspond to the related video clips, preventing any confusion. Now, let's begin creating the video in the foreign language. I'll copy the translated text from Google Translate and paste it into MS Word. Between each section, I'll write the word next, which will serve as a sound spike to help me identify where to cut the audio later. It is essential to include a space before next, and to place a period after it. This practice prevents the word next from merging with the sounds of the foreign language, making it easier to distinguish it in audio. Next, I'll copy this text and transfer it into Filmora video editing software, where I can generate the voiceover in the foreign language. Wondershare Filmora provides AI voiceover capabilities in all major foreign languages, establishing it as the top multilingual video creation tool on the market. Be sure to check out Dozro's article enlisting all features in Filmora. Find the link in description. If you decide to purchase the Filmora video editor through our affiliate link, you could receive a special discount at checkout. I placed the recorded voiceover onto an audio track beneath the video. It's important to retain the audio clips from the primary video in the timeline for reference and accurate syncing. You should align each foreign language audio clip with the corresponding primary language clip, rather than the video clips themselves, as each video segment may consist of multiple clips, as seen in this example. Now I play it. When played, both audio tracks can create overlapping noise. To resolve this, you can either mute the sound of primary audio using the button or lower the volume line on each primary audio track to silence it. Now, I will begin playing the audio to pinpoint and trim each section by listening for the cue word, next, as it's the only English term I can identify in the foreign language audio.
Du installerer og fjerner en dørlås med rund knop. Next. For at fjerne den indvendige knop, skal du finde det lille hul ved siden af den. Brug en skruenøgle til at skubbe holdestiften og træk knappen af. Next. Skru derefter roset.
It's evident that recognizing the word next within the foreign audio is significantly easier through its visible sound bars and timeline. The distinct sound waves allow me to cut the next without even needing to listen to the audio, enabling a smooth removal process. To begin, I will trim and eliminate the clue word. After removing the next segment, I will shift the audio clip of the foreign language forward to align it precisely beneath the corresponding audio clip of the primary video. I will follow the same procedure for the other clips. At this point, I can delete these primary audio clips since they have successfully completed their syncing task. Additionally, if desired, you can substitute the subtitles in the video with the foreign text. I hope you've learned something valuable from this tutorial. You can keep watching as I synchronize the foreign language audio clips with the corresponding video segments. I recommend collaborating with native speakers or language experts for translation and voiceover tasks, as Google's provided translations can sometimes miss the mark in terms of cultural context and tone. Following the same steps, I have integrated all foreign audio clips that align perfectly with the related video segments. This makes it easy to create copies of your original video in multiple languages, even those you might not fully understand. You can export your project from the video editor and upload this video, transformed into a language that is new to you, to YouTube or any other social media platform. You can also adjust the duration of the final video clip to match the length of the last audio clip. Finally, feel free to remove all primary audio clips, as they were solely for matching purposes. To clarify, the auto-sync feature in your video editor is ineffective for audio files in different languages, as demonstrated by my unsuccessful attempt displayed on the screen. Lastly, here's the golden tip. After crafting your video title, description, chapters, URLs, and SEO keywords for the primary video, simply copy them and translate them using Google Translate for your foreign language video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Dozro channel for more content. Thank you for watching.